Okay, good morning, class 11th. Now, today's heading is various physical education courses available in India. This topic we are going to discuss today's lecture. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about various physical education courses available in India. This is related to only physical education regular courses. Which type of courses? Physical education, regular courses. Why there is a need of physical education? Because nowadays it is becoming significant or very important related to our health with gaining popularity, well designed curriculum for different levels available in various schools, institutions, physical education departments, school to bring balance and to achieve overall development. Why various physical education courses available in India is important to achieve overall development. Student after completing 10 plus 2 in any stream can take a bachelor's degree or a pursue a master degree in any Indian or foreign universities. Bachelor degrees are bachelor degrees are physical education is usually of 3 or 4 years. There are several specialized courses available for student to choose from. Student can choose traditional yoga, physical education teaching also includes multidisciplinary and pedagogical courses. There are various courses related to physical education, and it is very important to have various physical courses because not only it increase our knowledge but for overall development, and there is a need of physical education in a system also. Bachelor's degree after 10 plus 2. Here you can see 10 plus 2. You can take it after 10 plus 2. You can take it BA physical education, BA yoga you can take it, BA B8 bachelor's physical education, BPEd bachelor's physical education, you can take it BSc physical education and sports. So these are the bachelor's degree after 10 plus 2 you can take it. Then we have some diploma courses. What we have? Some diploma courses. These are diploma courses. Diploma courses in yoga, teachers training, diploma course in physical education, diploma in yoga, postgraduate diploma in yoga and naturopathy, graduate postgraduate diploma in yoga. So we had came to know bachelor's degree and diploma courses. Bachelor's degree after 10 plus 2 and diploma courses after 10 plus 2. All these we can do it after 10 plus 2. Now there are some certificate courses also. Now we have some certificate courses. Diploma courses we had seen, bachelor's degree, all these courses are related to physical education. And if you are interested in a field of physical education, you can go through these degrees or diploma after 10 plus 2 or after graduation also. Certificate courses in aerobics, certificate course in yoga and naturopathy, certificate course in yoga, certificate course in yoga. Postgraduate in a field are designed to provide further development and skill of students to have learned physical education bachelor's degree program for a further development or improvement of a student in skills. Postgraduate programs are made. Students aspiring to apply to master degree in a field must have bachelor degree. For completing master degree program, you should have bachelor's degree, and bachelor's degrees are BA, BCom. These are few bachelor's degree. After that, you can have master degree. Master degrees are master in yoga, master in physical education, master MA in physical education, MPhil in physical education, PhD in physical education. These are few of the related courses related to master's degree. Career option in physical education. In previous few seconds before, we had seen about the courses related to physical education. Now, career option in physical education. What are the options after taking bachelor's degree or master's degree or diploma courses or certificate courses, master degree? We have various physical education careers. Options are there, various options are there in physical education. Mainly, there are two types of careers option in the field of physical education. The first type of career option is related to teaching and coaching physical education. Teaching, as we are teaching to you, and coaching physical education. These are called traditional career in physical education. Second type of career option is related to emerging career in physical education. And what emerging careers? Now you can see health related careers, health related careers, administration related careers, sports performance related careers, media related careers. You had seen many things in media, sports news, you can see matches. Sports performance related careers, these are the careers. Second types of careers are in physical education. Now we are going to discuss about the teaching career in physical education. First heading is teaching career in physical education. After completing your bachelor's degree and master degree, we offered many rewards to teachers that they are engaged in middle school and high school. That means we are eligible to teach Subject physical education in elementary school, middle school, college, and universities. If we are having certificate courses, master degrees, we are eligible that we can teach in colleges and universities. Coaching career in physical education. As you know, there is a need of many coaches, and without having physical education, we are unable to be a good coach. For being, or if we are adopting a coaching career in physical education, there are number of job opportunities for coaching as in a field of teaching. Where we can find these opportunities? Opportunities to coach exist in both school and non-school settings. Non-school settings are hotels, you can say stadiums. These are opportunities. Non-school settings, opportunities of jobs are available to coach in middle school, senior secondary school, and in universities also. State Sports Department and Sports Authority of India is non-school setting coaching opportunity. Coaching opportunity are also available with professional teams, just for example, private enterprises and government sectors. So these are the few coaching careers in physical education. Health related careers. During last 20 years, there has been a rapid increase in awareness of health nowadays. Nowadays, you can feel it also that there is an awareness of health, sudden health awareness increased in students, peoples, in society also. People have become more health cautious. They went to be a healthy, they want to keep away from various diseases. Everyone wants to lead a healthy lifestyle. That is why health related careers and opportunities in the field of education have expanded in recent years, because now the tradition, the trend, and the meaning of health is changing. You can see and you can feel it also. Nowadays, there is a vast change in thinking of about ourselves, about our healthy lifestyle. For being or related to be fit, we should also have a healthy lifestyle also. They The very first and significant area under health related career is health and weight control clubs. We have weight control clubs. The number of health and weight control clubs has increased rapidly during many During last many years, the health related clubs are increasing. It has become a big industry also. So there is a vast opportunity in health related careers. Career in communication media. What is communication? Career in communication media. What is communication media? The communication media, as we know, one of the example is newspaper, watching television news, and reading magazine are the mediums media communications, and it provide a various career opportunities in physical education, opportunities in sports communication, and like for example such as ESPN, a sports channel, 10 Sports, and Sports Star Sports provide 24-hour coverage of sports and games. As we know, as we are watching cricket matches in our television set, we all know these are various career related to communication media. One of the important is sports journalism. Sports sports journalism. Physical educator who have talent for writing may adopt a career as a sports journalism. We can write also if you are talented in a field of sports. If you are interested in writing, you can adopt a sports journalism in a field of as a career in a field of sports and games. Now we have many careers and very common careers. We have book writing. Career opportunities are widely available in book writing in the fields of physical education and sports. We can write book, sports photography. We can you had seen in a various magazines or in newspapers various photography of sports, ample opportunities for a sports photographer with newspaper and its sports magazine. Book publishing. Book publishing on sports and textbook of physical education, its subdiscipline and allied subjects such as health education and recreation need the people who are knowledgeable about the field of physical education. Editorial works are needed who are familiar with demand of publication in areas related to field physical education. So there are many opportunities in book writing, sports photography, book publishing. We can choose any one of them if we are interested to have career in physical education.